Imagine a swarm so vast it can darken the sky, devour entire crops in minutes, and leave devastation in its wake. What creature could possess such terrifying power? Brace yourself as we dive into the fascinating world of the desert locust. These incredible insects have captivated scientists and struck fear into farmers for centuries. From their humble beginnings as solitary grasshoppers to their transformation into massive swarms, desert locusts are a force of nature unlike any other. Let's start by exploring the development of these remarkable creatures. Desert locusts begin their lives as tiny eggs, buried beneath the sandy soil of arid regions. As they hatch, they emerge as small wingless nymphs, barely distinguishable from other grasshopper species. But don't be fooled by their innocent appearance. These nymphs hold the potential for destruction within their DNA. As the nymphs grow, they undergo a series of molts, shedding their exoskeletons to accommodate their increasing size. With each molt, they become stronger and more resilient. It's during this stage that something truly extraordinary can occur, a phenomenon known as phase polyphenol. Under certain environmental conditions, such as abundant rainfall and lush vegetation, desert locusts can undergo a remarkable transformation. Their bodies begin to change, not just in appearance, but in behavior as well. This shift from the solitary phase to the gregarious phase is what sets desert locusts apart from their grasshopper cousins. In the gregarious phase, desert locusts become more active, more social, and more voracious. Their bodies take on a striking yellow and black coloration, a warning to potential predators of their newfound strength in numbers. But it's not just their appearance that changes. Their very physiology adapts to this new lifestyle. The gregarious phase locusts develop larger wings and more powerful muscles, allowing them to fly farther and faster than their solitary counterparts. Their metabolism kicks into overdrive, enabling them to consume vast quantities of vegetation in record time. It's as if nature has flipped a switch, turning these once harmless grasshoppers into an unstoppable eating machine. But what triggers this incredible transformation? Scientists have discovered that it all comes down to touch. When desert locusts come into frequent contact with one another, it stimulates the production of serotonin in their nervous systems. This neurotransmitter sets off a cascade of changes, altering gene expression and reshaping the locusts' bodies and behaviors. As the gregarious phase takes hold, desert locusts begin to form swarms. These swarms can grow to mind-boggling proportions, sometimes covering areas as large as 460 square miles. To put that into perspective, that's roughly the size of Los Angeles. Within these massive swarms, billions of locusts fly together, creating a living cloud that can travel up to 100 miles in a single day. The impact of these swarms on agriculture and human settlements cannot be overstated. A single swarm can consume as much food as 35,000 people in a single day. Fields of crops that took months to grow can be stripped bare in a matter of hours. The devastation left in the wake of a locust swarm can lead to food shortages, economic hardship, and even political instability in affected regions. But the story of the desert locust isn't just one of destruction. These insects have played a significant role in human history and culture. In ancient Egypt, locust swarms were seen as one of the 10 plagues sent by God. In some cultures, locusts are considered a delicacy, providing a protein-rich food source in times of scarcity. The adaptability of desert locusts is truly remarkable. They can survive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. From the scorching heat of the Sahara to the windswept plains of Central Asia, their ability to rapidly reproduce and spread across vast distances has made them one of the most successful insect species on the planet. Scientists continue to study desert locusts, seeking to understand the complex mechanisms that drive their behavior. By unraveling the secrets of these fascinating creatures, researchers hope to develop more effective methods of predicting and controlling locust outbreaks. One area of particular interest is the role of climate change in locust swarm formation. As global temperatures rise and weather patterns become more erratic, some experts fear that conditions favorable to locust breeding may become more common. This could lead to more frequent and severe outbreaks, posing an even greater threat to food security in vulnerable regions. Despite the challenges they pose, desert locusts remain a testament to the incredible adaptability of life on Earth. Their ability to transform from solitary individuals into a coordinated swarm is a marvel of evolution, showcasing the power of collective behavior in the animal kingdom. As we continue to coexist with these remarkable insects, it's as crucial that we find ways to mitigate their impact on human populations, while respecting their place in the ecosystem. Through continued research, innovative pest control methods, and international cooperation, we can work towards a future where humans and desert locusts can thrive without coming into devastating conflict. The story of the desert locust is far from over. As long as there are arid lands and unpredictable weather patterns, these resilient creatures will continue to adapt and survive. They serve as a reminder of the complex and often awe-inspiring relationships between living organisms and their environments. from their humble beginnings as solitary grasshoppers to their transformation into massive swarms. Desert locusts have carved out a unique place in the natural world. They challenge our understanding of insect behavior, push the limits of agricultural resilience, and force us to confront the delicate balance between human needs and ecological realities. As we wrap up our exploration of these fascinating creatures, take a moment to reflect on the incredible diversity of life on our planet. The desert locust, with all its power and complexity, is just one small part of the intricate web of life that surrounds us. Who knows what other marvels are waiting to be discovered in the vast expanse of the natural world? Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of the desert locust. Until next time, keep your eyes on the horizon. You never know when you might spot a swarm of these remarkable insects taking flight.